it's really just fun, right? We want the spontaneity to be there. We want consumers to feel like whenever they have a sudden urge to have fun, to meet their friends, their family, that they know Absolute Sprite is there with them. They can easily buy it. It's within their reach, within their budget, and we want that to be like their partner for any spontaneous event.
All of the above. Hindi kasi syempre itong Absolute Vodka Sprite, napakalaking parte ng bonding moments natin kasama ng family, friends, kasi kailangan natin yung spontaneous lang, yung on-the-go drinks meron tayo, andyan yung Absolute Vodka Sprite. So, napaka-fun and very chill night, kwentuhan about life, mga ganyan. So, actually yun talaga yung pinaka-basic na kailangan natin, yung family, friends, and fun night with them. Bago yung life ko ng Unplugged, siguro nagsimula po talaga lahat sa PBB. Kasi nag-start ako sa PBB 11 years ago. And nag-audition po ako. Nagbaka sakali lang talaga, hindi ko siya plinano na next year mag-audition ako para maging housemaid. As in, unplanned, ganyan. Nakita ko lang yung commercial, mag-audition. Yung ganun lang, yung very spontaneous lang din yung mga pangyayari. So, grab ko yung opportunity ngayon. And now, 11 years, grabe. Nagbago talaga ang buhay ko.
Like what was relevant to them. We wanted to make sure that our brand ambassador fit that mold. Who would Gen Zs look to? Who would be relevant for them? And Loisa was the top option. Also, just going back to the stringent metrics we have for Coca-Cola, we never have brand ambassadors that are younger than 25, even if our legal drinking age is 18. And Loisa fit that, but her audience was still mostly Gen Z. So initially, the numbers said she was a good fit. And then when we were able to talk to her and her team, her values, what she believed in, how she carried herself, were all very good fits for Absolute Vodka and Sprite.
Thank you po. And ako syempre, napayas talaga. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Kasi before, way back, mga 3 years ago, 5 years ago, nag-start din akong uminom. Nagmi-mix pa ako ng drink, bumibili pa ako ng 1.5 na Sprite, tapos bibili ako ng Absolute Vodka na tingi pa yung sarili lang, tapos imi-mix mo pa. So, eto, ginawa na nila sa atin na perfect mix na siya. Sabi ko, grabe, thank you po Lord, may supply na ako ng Absolute Vodka Sprite. So, talagang excited ako na makatrabaho ang bagong family na to kasi ako mismo fan din talaga ako ng product nila. So, ang sarap sa puso na maging part ako ng family nila at wala na po talagang dalawang isip pa.
So, anong perfect pulutan?
Ang perfect pulutan, kahit ano yung mga pritong hotdog, mga chicharong bulaklak, mga ganyan, or fries, ayan.
Thank you.
Salamat po.